Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and tonight is a reveal of the Cricut January 2018 mystery box. Let's get started. I want to make this quick because there's a lot in this box for you to see. This box is $34.99. It has a retail value of $98, so it's a great value. And if you use my link that I'll provide with this video, then I will also provide a promo code SMQD that'll save you an extra 10% off plus free shipping in the US. So without further ado, let's see what's in the January 2018 mystery box. The first thing up is the Cricut poster board. This is the metallics. It has 6 sheets of 12 by 12 poster board in 6 unique colors. This is really pretty. It's really sturdy and it makes great 3D projects. So this, you get a pack of this, and you do get the same as I'm showing you. So you do get the metallics. The next thing in the mystery box is a set of the beautiful Cricut metallic pen set. And look how pretty the colors are. They're really pretty. And so this set comes with this, and so you get all 5 of these pens, and they're the medium point pens, and you also get a set of, yep, you guessed it, the gold Cricut pens. So you get a 10 pack of these pens. They are the 1.0 point, and these are beautiful, particularly like if you have a lot of writing to do with your Cricut. Maybe you're going to make invitations for something, or you want to draw something with your Cricut design space. Having a bunch of extra pens in the gold is really handy. So you get a pack of those. What else do you get? Let's see. Aha. You get some adhesive foil, and this is the adhesive foil. It's kind of metallic, and this one is the stainless purple. So you get a roll of the stainless purple. Now this is repositionable so that you're able to add it to something and then remove it like it's on a piece of glass vase or anything like that. So you get the purple and you get the red. With the Valentine's holiday coming up, I think that purple and red would be really pretty together on some Valentine type projects. So you get a roll of the red, and this is, it just says red. Okay, so this was stainless, and this is just the flat red, but it's very metallic looking of the adhesive foil. So you get all of this, and oh my gosh, there's more in this box. Oh, how pretty. Okay, so you get 2 rolls of the Cricut iron-on, and you get a roll of this one, which is really hard to see on camera probably, but this is a multicolored pack. This is a multicolored glitter, so it's very shiny and has lots of little specks of all colors in it. It's beautiful on a project, an iron-on project. And you get a roll of the purple. I think they call it purple. They call this one lavender. Of the purple iron-on. Again, Valentine's Day coming up would make really cute shirts or bags or something to give your pillow, something to give your loved one. So that's the Cricut iron-on. You get 2 rolls of that. And if this wasn't enough, you get a roll of the Cricut glitter vinyl. But this is the sampler pack, and they call this is my favorite, it's the Princess Sampler, and you get all of these colors. So you get the purple and the blue and the green, and you get, of course, the sheet of the transfer tape that's special for the glitter vinyl. Now remember, you guys have heard me say this before probably, but with the Cricut glitter vinyl, you can't use regular transfer tape. You need to use the strong grip transfer tape that comes in the roll with the Cricut glitter vinyl. You'll have to take the vinyl off the roll, and there'll be an extra piece that's rolled around the inside of the tube, around the outside of the tube, and that will say Cricut strong grip transfer tape, and you'll use that to transfer your images. Okay, so this is the January 2018 Cricut mystery box. Look at all of this you're going to get for only $34.99. Thanks for using my link to make your purchase. I get a little bit of a commission back from Cricut when you do that. And then I share my promo code SMQD and with you. And if you use it when you check out, you get free economy shipping and you get an extra 10% off the already low price of $34.99 for all of these supplies. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Hope you are as excited about how pretty and beautiful and creative you can get with all of these gorgeous items that are for the January 2018 mystery box. See you guys later. Bye.